Welcome back to the Nerdizeum and Nerdsheet Gaming. I'm so glad that you guys chose to be back with me today. Today, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Charizards that I've got. I've got a lot of Charizards from over the years, and so these are some of my favorites. You've seen that I've got the first edition Holo. I've got some old originals that are worth a lot of money, and these aren't worth as much, but they are some of my favorites, and I just want to share with you some of these awesome cards. So anyway, this, of course, is a V-Star Charizard, and it's Japanese. I love those, man. This is more recent. It's a holo, and I just really like the artwork on it and the way it's styled. Here's another awesome Japanese Charizard. Isn't that cool? So I got that one off the internet. Here's another one. Some of these I've opened out of packs, and it's just shocking when you get them. The Lance's Charizard V. I love that one. You can see the holographic in the back. Here's the Charizard V with holograph in the back. Hologram. Here's a Charizard from 2020 set. I just like that card. It's not a hologram. Here's a Charizard GX. I like this one because, look, it looks more real. Reminds me of the way Charizard looks in the Detective Pokemon movie, Detective Pikachu or whatever. And that's a pretty one. Here's a Vaporeon. This is just in here. It's of course, a jungle, and it's from the first generation. Here's an ancient Mew I've got in here. I mean, this thing hasn't even been opened. These were just in my pile, so they're not my favorite Charizards, of course, but they're really cool cards in my stash. This is one that I found in my collection. A lot of folks haven't seen this one before because it's not as prominent, and I sent it off to get it rated. It was rated as 7, and so this is really cool. I love that. I mean, something like this at this rating is probably worth only like $4,500 or something like that, but at a higher rating it's worth so much more. And then check out this guy. Have you seen these big oversized cards? This is a Charizard I got out of a set years ago, I think around 2016, something like that, and it is 2014, so that makes sense. But look at that guy. I love these. What cards do you have that are your favorites? What's your favorite Charizard? What year? What type? Share with me who your favorite Pokemon is in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. And thanks for tuning in to the Nerdizeum and Nerdsheet Gaming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels. And of course, keep coming back. We love the love, and we love to give love. And we love to hear from you. Y'all take care.